Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can make the set reset program in Xinje PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my XC series program tool and after we will create the new program. And when you click it on the file, here you can click it on the new project. Okay, and here which PLC you have, you can select this. I have XC2 model 42 and click it OK. When this interface will be open, after just only can choose from here also, and also if you press the F5, for example F5, when you press, after you can see here the one command is coming. So if you like to be just same like any, just here like to type any ldx0 ldx0 and click enter, and your first bit x0 will be placed. And next you have to be choose just from here, this is the reset and this is the set command. Okay, and when you click it on this one set command, after which bit you like to be set, for example internal memory bit or external output, if you like to make it set, both you can make it set. For example first output y0 I will be like to make it set. And how I like to make it reset, first of all I will choose my next here input, which number I like to be make it from the reset. For example x1 if I choose for reset button, so just after I will click it on reset, and here I will give the y0 address to reset this button. So this program is completed. But for example if we like to be check this by the monitor ladder monitoring, also we can put it here one another bit. Just click it over here, for example m0 I will click, and just I will connect upside, and this will be two buttons. This will be work. One is from the look like HMI, this is m0. From the ladder monitoring also you can make it reset, and also from the physical PLC also you can make the monitor. And here just I will make one more with this x1 also. So in the view project or search edit, in the edit when you click it on the insert row, after you can see here is the insert row. Here we have to be click here, click, and after we will click insert, and here is the row coming, and here you can select this one LDM, for example M1 I will select it. After this will be make it set from M1 and reset from the M0. So this also we can connect with the upper line, and this line if you like to be delete, and you can make it this one. So leave it this one, later we will be discuss. And just this program I will download into the PLC and click OK, and your program will be started downloading into the PLC. Wait for some seconds and it's ready now. Now you can see also here is in the stop mode. PLC is our stop mode. Also if I like to can be show in the camera also, I will check my cameras inside this will, it will be open, and this is you can see in the camera. I will make it little here. You can see here is the in the PLC there is the offline mode. As when I click it this one button, it will be go into the run mode. Okay, I will click it on this one, and after again we will open our camera, and you can see our PLC is now in the running mode. And after when you click it on this one M1, if you like to start this set bit, and this on and off is showing, think about your PLC's run mode, and also is the monitoring mode. If it is not showing, it will be it's not in the monitor mode. For example this is our monitoring mode, and also here this ladder monitor. When I click it this one, now again when I click it this one, you can see here is not showing any. Again I will click it this one, and after I will see, you can see here's the set bit is now showing. As I click it on this one, after you can see our y0 is in the set mode, and this I will again make it off, but our output will be not off. Okay, and here also if you like to be check this one y memory, after you can see its y0 is now on condition. And when you make it the reset, also you can make it the reset from m0. When I click it on the m0, your y0 will be off. You can see y0 is now going to off, and again I will click this one. And also if you like to see in the camera, for example, I will open this one, and as I press my x0, it's our output will be on. You can see it's now in the PLC also shown 0. Y0 is now holded, and its indication is connected with my hardware. This one first with the y0, and when I press the x1, after our output will be off. You can see our output will be off. So this way we can use the set and reset function in the Xinje PLC. And these buttons, if you like to start from this LEDs or any motor or whatever relay which you like to be start, you can put this one M1 address at the HMI. Inshallah will be next lectures. I will show you how we can this buttons created in the HMI and how we can operate the outputs from the HMI. So hope guys you will be understand about this set reset command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.